So guys, as a beginning writer, let's say you're just starting out as a content writer, one of the easiest ways that you can get into the content writing market is to join a content agency or a content mill. All right. So a content agency is basically like a middleman between you and the client. So what they do, they have a team of writers working with them, and so they reach out, source for the jobs, get the jobs in bulk, and then they come and distribute it to the writers. And so the writers will write, send it back to the content agency, and then this content agency sends it directly to the client. All right. So this is something that you can try out if you're just starting content writing, because it might be a bit difficult for you to go out and source directly for your clients. So you could just join them for a bit, and just keep getting jobs. You can build your experience. You can learn a lot while you do this, because when you turn in an article, there are some edits that they will show you how to do, to make sure that your work meets up to standard. So if you do this for a while, you can build your experience and actually become a top quality writer. Also, you can use this to make money while you aim for your one-on-one client bagging. All right, while you're looking to start landing clients by yourself, you can use this to be building your funds, saving up and making money from writing as well. All right, so in this video I want to show you a few content agencies that you could reach out to apply to join their content team. Okay, these people, they hire content writers. All right, so you could try reaching out to them. I'm going to talk about a few of them in this video. So if you're interested in that, then I support you, and let's get into the video. So you guys, we're getting started in a minute. However, in case you're seeing this channel for the first time, I talk about content writing and how you can monetize your content writing career. So if this is something that interests you, then definitely click the subscribe button and let's proceed. All right, guys, I have my computer in front of me as usual, so I'm just going to flip the screen. I'm just going to flip so that you see my computer, and I'll show you all the sites that the content agencies or content mills. I'll show you on my computer, so you can just go on there and you can check them out later. I'll also leave a link to this site in my description box so that you can directly reach out to them. All right, so let's get into the video. So the first site on our list is called Group Match, and this is just the site. You can just simply go to their website, and then when you scroll down, you'll see that there's a part for you to, join our team. So insert your full name, email address, LinkedIn, who you're interested in. You can write freelance content writer, and then tell them why you are interested in working with them, and submit. The next agency I want to talk about now, as you can see, this one you can join as a freelancer. So when you click on join as a freelancer, they're going to take you to the page where you can sign up just like this. So write out your name, password, and then register. And then when you register, you join their team. You go through some series of tests, and then they like you, you join their team, and then you can begin to work with them. The third agency is Content Turbine. All right, so this one, they pretty much post a lot of available gigs. Yeah, generally they have like a site where they post available gig. However, you can join the team by clicking on add me to the wait list. Yeah, and when you enter in your information here and click on join now, they'll add you to their email wait list, and then they can tell you how to proceed to write for them. Okay, then next we have content lab. This one is specifically for technical writers. So if you're a technical writer, then this one is for you. So when you go here, you can see this is their application page. Just read through this to see what they want. Look at this: get paid to write about your passion while educating other developers. So if you're good with developing, web development and all of that, then this is certainly for you. This is what they're looking for: fluent English speaker, blah blah blah, 3+ years of software development. So when you put in your information here, look at this: they recruit 1 to 3 authors per month. So you can simply be the lucky among the lucky 1 to 3. So input your details and then send me the guide. Yeah, or then if you have questions, their email address is also here.
So yep, that's the other one. So then this next one is called the content panel. It's another agency that is looking for you. Yeah, so you can see here they are looking for passionate writers from a wide range of professional backgrounds. If you have what it takes, then you can apply to join their content team, and then you can start getting regular gigs and getting paid. Yep, and then the final one I'm going to be talking about is called remarkme.com. Okay, this is also another very, very relevant marketing agency. Get paid to write for us. So look at the kind of articles they're looking for: tech, on email marketing, affiliate marketing, ebook writing, and all of these. So, topics like this, they want to pay you to write for you. So you can see here that they pay between 2.5 to $10 per word of your content. Yeah, 500 to $100. So literally just go through these guidelines and send your outline to this email address, and you can get paid and join their team.
So that's it, guys. If you watched till this point, I'm sure you learned something, and if you did, then please subscribe because there's a lot more where that came from. All right. So thank you so much for staying till the end of this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.